Hi, and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm sure you will find it useful, as I have the absolute delight to be showing you around and demonstrating some of the features on this beautiful 2019 Jaguar XF D V6 S Sportbrake. Absolutely superb looking vehicle, and it has full Jaguar service history and over £4,000 of factory fitted optional extras. Now we will start with the paintwork. This is the special metallic silicon silver. It's complemented with the gloss black 20-inch style 5036 wheels, as well as the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. Really does have a fantastic contrast, and we have the red brake calipers to make it stand out even more. We're also blessed with a fixed glass panoramic sunroof, another £1,125 from new, and I must say it really does look the part. Contrast of the full car is superb, and this 3-litre diesel engine is absolutely fantastic. So we'll take you to the inside of the vehicle. It is also blessed with keyless entry and keyless go. It's a lovely place to be, a lovely place to drive. I see it's brightened up with that lovely panoramic glass sunroof. We have the full ebony leather interior. We have the S embossed into the headrest there. And we even have the Jaguar emblem on both the stop start button and the rotary gear select. Just take you around to the driver's side. There's more specification meets us here. So we have the 3-stage electric memory seats. They do have the heated function as standard. The upgraded Meridian surround sound system. We have a lovely heated steering wheel for those colder months, and this 19 plate has only covered just 27,699 miles. Fantastic history, superb condition, great looking car, and a pleasure to have in stock here at AMT Specialist Cars Leeds. So I hope you found that video useful. Thank you for watching. Please give any of our award-winning sales team a call for any further information. Thank you.